Let's go through Liquid 3107. Minimal operations to make a median of array equal to k. So for this question, we are giving an integer array nums and a non-negative integer k. So in one operation, you can decrease or increase the element by 1. Return the minimal nums of operation. You need to make the median of nums equal to k. And for this question, let's look at the example 3, right? So originally we think about the median. Maybe it is 3 and 4 average, right? If we round to a number, it may goes to 3, but it says that the median is 4. So that means we just need to use the length divided by 2, right? So in order to get a median, we just what we thinking about is that if the nums array is already sorted, and for this question, you say the median is a nums after sorted, right? Nums n divided by 2. Then this number is median. So in order to get the median to be equal to k, we want to make the minimal operations, right? So we need to check whether this number is greater than k or smaller than k, right? So if it is smaller than k, we need to look at we need to add this one to k, right? Add this number to k, and also for the numbers after it, right? If they are also smaller than k, we are also added to k. So we just use a while loop, right? Of sort to use a while loop to make all of the numbers smaller than k equals to k. So the same thing if this number is greater than k, then for this number we needed to use the operations nums n divided by 2 minus k, right? And for all of the previous numbers which are greater than k, we should get it equal to k, right? So that will be the minimum operations. So after this analysis, we just write code for this. We need firstly need sort on arrays sort nums. And for this question, let's have int a equals nums dot length. And for this question, it will give the median index equals n divided by 2, so that for this one, yes, it is 4, right? And what need is we have long sum operations result goes to 0 L. And we'll say if this nums I is greater or equal to k, what we do is that we need from this nums I to choose to index 0 to make it equal to k, right? So we'll say while is I greater or equal to 0 and nums I greater than k, and we'll have sum plus equal to this nums I minus k, and then we have I minus minus 1. After doing this, we return result. This is not sum, should be result. So else, that means this one is smaller than k, right? So we'll say while I smaller than n and the nums are smaller than k, then we'll have result plus equal to k minus nums I, and we'll have I plus plus return result. Um, uh, let's put the index I, and let's convert this to Python code. So we need to sort these nums, right? Nums sort, and n equals length nums, and we'll have I equals n divided by 2, and the sum has a result equals to 0, right? So we'll say if nums I is greater equal to k, then what we do is that while this is I greater equal to 0 and nums I greater than k, we're going to have a result plus equal to nums I minus k, and we'll have I minus equal to 1, right? Return result. In another case is while I smaller than n and nums I smaller than k, then we'll have result plus equal to k minus nums I, and we'll have I plus equal to 1, and also we need to return result.